Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be based on how to properly clean your brushes. I'm pretty sure that I've done content like this in the past, but more frequently lately, my friends, colleagues, and clients have been asking me just how to clean their brushes properly, what is an easy, effective, and inexpensive way to do so. So that's what I'm here to teach you today. Make sure to check the description box so that you get all the links and products that I'm going to be listing in this video. When it comes to washing your brushes, it's very important that you know there are two different ways to do it. The first way is called spot cleaning, and this means that we are going to lightly clean the brushes each time that we use it, so that way the next time we use those brushes, they don't have dirt, debris, makeup, or bacteria on them from the time before. The second way of cleaning is deep cleaning. Deep cleaning is just as how it sounds. You're going to clean these really, really well so that you're getting everything off those brushes as well as disinfecting them. As far as how often you should spot clean, it should be after every use. This is how you keep up the health and well-being of your brushes as well as your face. It'll really help if you are prone to breakouts and things like that as well. So spot cleaning is recommended every single time, although I know, it's a lot. So it's totally fine if you don't do it every single time. I'm just as guilty, but just do your best to keep those brushes clean. As far as how often you should deep clean your brushes, that should be based on how often you wear makeup. If you wear makeup daily or most days, I would say deep clean your brushes weekly. If you wear your makeup only a few times a month, then I would say cleaning your brushes monthly would suffice. You only need 3 products to properly, easily, and inexpensively clean your brushes with both spot cleaning and deep cleaning. First, you need a good spot cleaner. I recommend the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. This is the one I swear by. It doesn't have a really gross odor. It dries instantly when you're using it, and it just really does the job well. It gets all of that makeup off easily. As far as deep cleaning, you need things that are probably already in your household. Get some antibacterial dish soap. This is going to remove 99.9% bacteria from your brushes. And then get some good old 70% isopropyl alcohol. This is going to disinfect your brushes. Make sure you get 70%, 90 or 99% alcohol dries too quickly to actually disinfect. Spot cleaning your brushes is simple. First, you're going to put the spot cleaner into a little spray bottle if it's not already in one. Then you're just going to spritz some of the spot cleaner onto a tissue and onto the brush sitting over the tissue. And you're just going to wipe it back and forth a few times. This gets the brush evenly saturated and it gets the cleaner through the entire brush. Make sure to just do back and forth motions gently. You do not need to do little spiral motions, or you don't need to do this super quickly and aggressively. You want to make sure that you are keeping the integrity of your brushes intact. Once you do this and you find that you are not getting any more makeup residue on the tissue, so you're not seeing foundation or eyeshadow colors or shimmers or anything like that, you can simply put your brushes back in their brush holder and they are good to go. You don't need to worry about drying time because, again, this particular brush cleaner is instantly drying. Deep cleaning is also pretty simple. It just needs a bit more time put aside both to do it and to let the brushes dry. Be prepared for your brushes to have to sit there and dry up to 24 hours. So make sure you're going to do a deep clean when you don't need to use the brushes the next day. For deep cleaning, what you're going to do is go to the bathroom or kitchen sink, have the water running on a cool temperature, and you're going to put your hand under the water, put some of the antibacterial dish soap onto your hand, and again, rub the brush back and forth gently. Again, gentle motions is all you need. You will start to see the makeup come out into the suds. Once the soapy suds run clear, you're going to take the brush, run it between your thumb and your index finger, and squeeze. Do this a few times until the water runs completely clear. Once that's done, make sure to lay your brushes on a paper towel or a towel completely flat. You do not want to stand your brushes upright when they are soaking wet because the water can get into the ferrule, which is the metal part of the brush, and cause the brush hairs to loosen. Once your brushes are all laying there to dry, take your little spray bottle of 70% isopropyl alcohol and give those brushes a few good sprays. After this process is complete, your brushes are completely clean and sanitized. That's it. As you can see, it's a really simple process. It does take some time, so what I like to do when I'm deep cleaning my brushes, I'll actually set my phone up on the counter and I'll be watching a couple YouTube videos just to let the time pass. Because remember, as a professional makeup artist, I have 8 complete sets of brushes in my kit at all times, and there are a bunch of times I have to clean every single one of those at the same time. So this does take some time and it is a tedious process, but if you have some music or some, something on the TV like Netflix or something to pass the time, really you're just doing the same monotonous thing over and over. It's pretty mindless and pretty simple to do, and the time will pass more quickly. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more like this in the future from me, and also check out my signature course, Beauty Bootcamp with Lauren, down in the links below if you would like to learn everything about how to elevate your makeup skills. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!